Hello and greetings from the Alrite team. In this video, I will be showing you how to record and transcribe audio within the Alrite web application. Begin by logging into the web application and clicking on Record on the top of your screen. This will redirect you to the recording page. Here, you can see your more recent recordings or begin the recording process itself. You also have the option to test your microphone with a 10-second recording. To begin, simply click on the pulsing green button. Here, you will have the option to enter the name of the resulting file. Make sure to select the appropriate language so as to have an accurate transcription for your recording. For users with a higher level package, they will also have the option to select the number of lines they wish for captions to be shown. Once you are happy with your settings, go ahead and click on Start. In this window, you can decide to stop the recording at any time. You also have the option to use command words, which can then be replaced once the transcript has been created. For an accurate transcript, it's best to speak as close to the microphone as possible, as well as speaking clearly and minimizing background noise. Once you have finished with your recording, click on Stop. Alrite will process the recording and provide you with the transcript. If you have any questions or feedback, please contact our support team or check out our FAQ page.